Let's do it. Let them all slide. Let them all, yeah. Let them all slide.
This is a home speech.
Okay. Let them all slide. You can let them all die. Let them all die. Going so high, I mean we going so high. Okay. Shoot from a distance. Let them all die. We going so high, I mean we going so high. Okay. Shooting from a distance. Let them all die. Okay. We going so high. Okay. Going so high. Yeah. Okay, I'm on it. They know it. Let's go and get it right.
So many niggas I'm seeing them, my homies right.
They can't deny it, I'm bottom line, but I keep it tight. See him winning and tell my heart that it's gonna be fine.
We gon' shine like summertime, yeah, it's gonna be hot.
When I hit the spot with this heavy ball to this let me charge.
I'm saying, Lord, I can stay no more with this crazy noise.
They tell me rap is the crazy choice, but you're talent, boy.
Don't understand it, they say and don't let me hang it.
I'm busy rapping, hoping my dreams don't leave me hanging.
I sleep on matches, so every night I'm dreaming fire.
You got to know this, I'm never lost, I'm never forsaken. Check out my flow goals, I'm keeping it pausing.
Since I was born, been
spitting it on, and I'm carrying on. I never lost my energy, but sure I lose my enemies.
I'm praying that they watch the peace, I know they couldn't handle this.
Like, rapping is my everything, the flow must be the white and green.
I'm married to this rap, cause she gon' take me where I wanna be.
Harder than I ever been,
yes,
that's what my hunger means. Working every night and day, praying I will never fade. I've been working overtime, dividing on my
book of rhymes.
I don't ever rest, boy.
Once they talking shit,
I stand up and hit my chest, boy.
Cause I know this rap, boy.
They don't even talk like I is hold up. I've been caught up, now it is time I'm taking it forward.
Yeah, all this shit gon' pay up.
All these haters better stay out.
My niggas on it, I ain't feeling like this rap shit.
Yeah, nigga, you gotta get it every day. Yeah, nigga, you gotta get it anyway. Young nigga, they gotta tell you on your way. Okay, you ain't gotta listen to them. You gotta own it. If you know it, then you know it. Then it's yours. Yeah, it's yours. Yeah, it's yours. Never lose it. Love yours.
From a distance, you let them all die.
I mean, we going so high. I mean, we going so high. Okay, I'm shooting from a distance. Let them all die. We going so high. I mean, we going so high. Nah.
This type of intro for my heroes. I'm staring at the mirror in the meeting with my ego. I had to answer the calling. It came in fast like I was speed dialing 911. And on my ground, I'm all about the hustle. Ain't no regulated, all about the money. Hope you learn to tolerate a nigga from the slums. Now I realize if you want it, you go get it. However you wanna get it, my nigga. It's all on you, my nigga. Dedication, the passion, the work you put in. Hours is 24/7. Vision is driven, the timers are taking all of my mission. They clear the vision, pages are flipping, running out of ink on my pen. Just give me the mic, all about myself and the culture. Ready to fight.
Going so high, I mean we going so high.
Shooting from it,
yeah, let them all down.
okay, we going so.
Ain't it going so high?
Shooting from it,
Yeah, let them all die.
going so.
My nigga, I'm so high.
Shooting from it,
Nigga, you know we all blind.
going so.
Nigga, never sober.
I'm shooting from it.